I mean, this is something else that somebody needs to let them know. They're going to condemn that place if they don't go back there soon. One thing about that state, man, they better make sure they better be making sure they're paying those taxes and that they're keeping up with that house, because they're in a house with a lot of politicians and a lot of upper class people, and when that house falls apart, it devalues the other houses in the neighborhood. I'm telling you, they need to get back over there and take care of their business. One of the suspicious things that I noticed when I was living there was when she said that the bill was too high. I think she said it was a $200 electric bill, even though she had the ACs on for like 4 months and didn't tell nobody that and whatnot. And she says I was being irresponsible, and then she cut the lights off. Now I'm gonna talk here a little bit about, because none of this is significant to me or the case or anything like that and whatnot. So she was like she gonna cut the lights off and whatnot, and she cut them off. I don't think you guys know this, but right now over there's no light and there's no water on there. I want y'all to think about this a minute. If I wanted to be a quote unquote squatter, I can go back there now for sure. There's no lights and there's no water. The water is off. I don't think she knows that. I had to tell them to cut the water off because there was a water main break, and I certainly wasn't going to fix it. That wasn't going to happen. So I was on my way out of there. I think 2 days before I finally moved out of there. That's when that happened. I think 2 days. And that's when I moved out of there. No, it wasn't 2 days. It was about a week, because I had to melt snow to get water, which was an interesting experience.